Automated Cells and Equipment is proud to announce our latest product for the powder metal industry, the model FL3600 furnace loader. This cost-effective loader provides an automated method for loading pre-assembled parts and sinter plates or trays onto a furnace belt. The pre-assembled parts and plates are introduced onto the FL3600 infeed conveyor via a customer-provided conveyor. The included servo-electric infeed conveyor indexes one position for every part plate assembly introduced. This process repeats until a full row of parts and plates is created. Next, a servo-electric pusher positively transfers the entire row onto the sinter belt. To find out more about the FL3600 furnace loader, contact Automated Cells and Equipment.